Step 1. Measure the installation dimensions and the flatness of the wall and ground. 2. Ensure the verticality of the installation dimensions and wall. If the inclination angle of the wall or ground is too large, corresponding adjustments should be made. Step 2. Installation of middle frame profile for partition glass fixing. Put middle frame profile to the position and measure the verticality with a level gauge. Mark the drilling location of frame profile by pencil. Remove the frame profile and drill by impact drill as per the mark. Knock the nylon sleeves into the drilled hole by rubber hammer. Fix the middle frame profile with screws after aligning to the drilled position. Insert the bottom part of guiding rail on the middle of ground. Slide the middle partition glass to bottom profile on the ground and clip it to middle profile on the wall. Fix the top profile onto the middle partition glass. Clip the external frame profile to the middle partition glass. Step 3. Assemble the top and bottom guiding rails for front glasses. Put the pulleys and fixing block to the groove of upper guiding rail. Install the guiding block on the corresponding holes of the bottom rail with screws. Step 4. Installation of bottom rails and left-right frame profile. Clip the bottom rail into the lower slot of the external middle frame profile. Then insert into left and right frame profile, and ensure the verticality with a level gauge. Mark the drilling location of frame profile by pencil. Remove the frame profile and drill at the marked positions by impact drill. Knock the nylon sleeves into the drilled holes by rubber hammer. Align the bottom rail and left-right frame profile to the corresponding positions and fix them by screws. Step 5. Installation of and fixing glasses, top rail and sliding glasses. Clip the fixing glass into the groove of the profiles on both sides of the frame. Place the assembled top rail into the grooves of frame profile on sides and middle positions. Fix the glass block with Allen key. Installation of sliding glasses. When the height of the two sliding glass are not the same, you could adjust the hexagonal nut on the roller appropriately. Lock the sliding glasses to the roller assembly. Step 6. Installation of magnetic sealing strips and handle with gluing. Install magnetic sealing strips on one side of the sliding glass and fixed glass. When installing handles, the direction of handle can be reversed and get different height of handle as required. Applying glass silicone to the joint between the profiles, the walls and stone foundation. It can be used for waterproofing after curing time around 24 hours.